Hi, this is Joe with Share My Coach. I'm now standing in front of our 24-foot Sunseeker by Forest Rivers. This does have a slide room. It'll sleep 5 people. This is really a nice little coach. Does have the E450 engine in it. I'm going to go ahead and walk around this to get kind of an idea what she looks like. It does have the full-size awning. One of the things about getting these little 24-footers is you have the comfort of a full-size motorhome, but you can park this thing just any place. And so as we come up inside, I'm going to give you kind of an idea what this thing looks like. And as you see, when you go up to the top up here, you have the full-size bed. So, and that's really a full-size queen up there. It's got the nice little bunk ladder to be able to climb up. And then the dining area, very comfortable. This here will also turn into a bed. Plenty of room for 4 people. And then up on top you do have the TV with the DVD player. Nice comfortable chair. This is really a clean unit. I know it's real low miles. Most of the owners, when they buy these, they have all the great plans to travel. And then reality hits, and man, they got a motorhome that's 5 years old with 5,000 miles on them. So this one here, nice woodwork in this. This is really a nice, pretty coach. Nice sized bathroom. Nice comfortable bed. Another TV with a DVD player up here in the back. Kind of an idea. Shower. So if you're looking for really a nice motorhome for not a lot of money, check this one out. This one is the Forest Rivers. It's a 24-foot. I know you're going to like this one.